Hello Omni friends, hope you are doing well. So today I am going to review this Pack Beauty Blender from Pack. So if you want to know more about this product, then please keep on watching. The packaging, it comes in this plastic pack which is transparent from the front so that you can see the actual product inside. And on the back side, rest of the information is given, like a makeup sponge and how to use it and the care tips, everything. And the retailing price is over here. It retails for rupees 150 and this is a set of 2. Actually, I have never ever used beauty blender till now, so I just wanted to give it a try. So I bought the mini beauty blender just to get some idea how it works and all. So that's why I bought the small one. And after using these, I was so happy, and seriously now I know why people are after beauty blenders, like they prefer using beauty blenders over brushes. So yes, moving on the further review, let me tell you, it comes in this zip pouch. Actually, I have already opened it and used it, that's why I'm giving you a review now. So it comes in this zip pouch. It opens like this and the product comes. So this is the product, and these are the two cute little tiny beauty blenders. They are very small, very cute, very soft, and they are red in color. So yeah, these are the small beauty blenders. They are dry, completely dry right now. And let me show you how it becomes after soaking it in water. So I have water in this cup and I will soak it in water, dip it little bit and squeeze it. Second, like, it absorbs a lot of water and just becomes double in its size. As you can see that it has become increased in the size. It has become double the size, and this has become so soft. Seriously, it has become so soft, so smooth. It is very gentle on skin. I have done my base using this blender only, and this is very soft. You have to keep this semi wet. You need not to make this very watery or something like that. You have to just squeeze out all the water so that no water will be in this beauty blender, and it has to be like this only. Sorry. Like this only, and now it has become very soft, very soft. And when you do the stippling motion with this beauty blender, it gives you a very flawless texture, and it gives a very airbrush kind of effect on the skin. And because they are very small, it is very easy to do the makeup on sides of nose, ear, inner corner of the eyes, and to conceal the areas where the big beauty blender doesn't work so well. So yeah, this is for good for contouring and highlighting your feature. And even it's small, but I have done my whole face base using this beauty blender, so in that case also it works very well. So yeah, I have bought this 3 weeks back, and since then I'm using it, like not regularly, but yeah, I'm using it frequently, and I like to wash it after every use. So it has not even become like old or something like that. It is just like new only. As you can see, the texture is new only. See, it is new. It has not broken from any side. It is very soft. Another one is this. If I soak it in water, it will become this much big only. So yeah, this is very good, and now I am planning to buy more products from Pack, especially the big beauty blender. And if you want me to review that big beauty blender, then please do let me know. I will do that for you. And yes, it is travel friendly. It is so small that you can easily keep it in a same pouch, or you can put it in your separate makeup kit, and easy to go. And it is very easy to wash them. Just use the gentle soap, liquid soap, and wash it with pressing motion under running water, and it is very easy to wash them. It absorbs very little amount of product. Earlier I used to think that beauty blender must absorb lots of products and what's the use of a beauty blender. But now after using this, I can say that this beauty blender absorbs very little product, and most of the product goes into your skin, not inside this blender. So this is the very good part which I like about this Pack Beauty Blender. This was the review from my side of these cute little beauty blenders, and if you have any suggestions then please do let me know in the comment bar, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.